Communications matter. The way you are organizing the content and delivering in front of audience, that is very important. The way you are communicating in front of audience. The moment when you will start to communicate, and before going to communicate, you have to think that what you are going to communicate. It matters. A wise man speaks because he has something to say, while a fool man speaks because he has to say something. Communications matter. Effective communication is only 20% what you know. 80% is how do you feel about what you know. Communications matter. What is the communications point you have, and what are the deliverables area you are going to deliver? It is very important. So what do you mean by the effective communications in this case? The way you are organizing the content, delivering in front of audience within the right directions in a stipulated time. This is very important, that what you are going to communicate. And if you do not have the effective communications, your message is not going to be passed correctly, effectively to the audience. In your communications, it is very important that how you are going to communicate, how much clarity in your communications. So, if you ask me about the communications for the corporate world or other than corporate world, the communication is completely different. When you talk about the corporate world, there is an approved language which is called the English language, where the complete globals are working, whether you are in Canada, Japan, US, UK, India, China, wherever you are. But one language you have to know. If you really wanted to sustain or grow more in the corporate world, please start to develop your communications, my dear friend. This is one of the capsules you have to develop within yourself in order to grab more and more opportunities. Otherwise, you're not going to develop more. Imagine why leaders have a great communications. It is because they have in the leadership portfolio, or it is because they have the good amount of communications with the leadership style. So for every leaders, the communication is first fundamental requirement. Wherever you are working, doesn't matter whether you have own business, entrepreneur, employment, or any other. You observe to yourself that when you talk to your leader, you will find out then there are unique quality she has. And this unique quality is giving some more impression among all audience. So in the corporate world, you have to learn the tools, techniques, and apply those tools, techniques in order to grab more opportunities. You have to develop more. But when it comes to the other than corporate world, the effective communications is a very supreme role. How you are going to organize and deliver the content, whether your message is clear, whether audience is able to listen carefully and have understandability power, they are able to understand your message clearly. Is there any confusion in your message, in your communications? Because other than your corporate world, there is no any professional communications are. The communication is your own local language. Wherever you are. It could be Marathi, Telugu, Punjabi, Urdu, Bhojpuri, Hindi. It could be in any of the languages. So when you start to communicate in front of the audience, and who are the audience in this case? The audience could be your spouse, your child, your mother, father, relatives, friends, or any other. So when you start to deliver your communications in front of these people, you have to make sure that the communication should be very clarity. Otherwise, you know very well that how the meaning is going to be changed by the recipient and what will be the consequences of this communications, you know very well. So keep your communications in such a manner so that recipients can be able to understand your message clearly. That kind of effective communications you have to develop within yourself. And when you develop the effective communications, you will start to grow more in your life. Doesn't matter whether you are getting more profile, higher profile, but at least you should start to make more confident within yourself that yes, I have a good amount of communications. I could do any of the things. And it is very important for every person of this planet that you have to organize your content and deliver in front of audience effectively, concisely, with clarity. This is very important. So start and develop within yourself the effective communication. You will find out the more opportunity are going to become in your life. This is Sajjan Singh signing out until we meet again. Thank you. Thank you very much.